Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Pixlr application if it keeps on crashing on your device. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to use the Pixlr application, however, it keeps on crashing and you cannot use the app at all, then in order to fix this issue, the first step to do is to make sure that the application is updated to the latest version. Just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Pixlr and start your search. Once you find the Pixlr application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this button in order to install the latest updates. After tapping on it, just wait for a while until the update process is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button once again. You can then tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't fix your issue, then you will need to clear your application cache and data. Long press on the Pixlr application and tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the application info page for Pixlr. Click on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application first, and then scroll down and tap on storage. Now within the storage page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on delete, which will now clear all of your user data for the Pixlr app. After this step, open up the application once again and you will need to log in to your account. After logging in, you will notice that the application will now run without crashes and issues. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to fix the issues within the Pixlr application if it keeps on crashing. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.